will see how to use the alias command in Linux. Before we know what's alias, alias is a command that substitute a program or command with your custom name. So let's see with live example. There are two ways to use alias. The first one is temporary. If you are working on particular terminal window, you set the alias with the alias command. Now I am alias a new vim with null command. Now I call the null, it's execute the nvim program. Okay, it's an alias. If you try to call other window, it's not work because it's a temporary alias. It's only working on one window. You set that. Okay, the next way is that permanent. In permanent, you need to add the alias command in the bash rc or your terminal provider configure file. In my case, I use Debian, so I have the bash rc file, your home directory. Last lines you add it, the alias command name, and then your custom name. It's set on null. Now the nvim set. Now we need to reload the terminal. Now we call another window. It works fine. Okay, we can alias here any other custom program with alias command. It means you can run a custom file with alias, not like the programs already installed. So now I create a sample.script file, a simple command. Now we need to give the permission to execute the sample.sh alias in sample command. Now call the sample. Okay, it's executed with our custom command. Okay, that's all the video. Thanks for watching.